In this quick exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your toe extension whilst also in a seated position. So you don't need any equipment for this, and all you need is a chair, something to sit on. And you're firstly going to have your feet pointing directly forwards, and I want them at hip width apart. From here, the whole of your foot is going to be in contact with the floor, and just your toes are going to point up, as if you was trying to point them up towards the ceiling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point my toes up. I keep my forefoot, midfoot and heels on the floor, and then I bring them back down. So what I would do here is I would come up, pause that position, try and get that contraction of the intrinsic foot muscles, slowly under control, bring them back down. Back up, pause, slowly back down. That's how to work your toe extension in a seated position. You would repeat that for your desired amount of reps and sets.